I have no clue. Skin protection foundation? I don't know.
Sun protection. I don't know the last one.
Sun protection force.
SPF actually stands for sun protection factor. It really doesn't matter what the number is. What's much more important is how frequently you reapply the sunscreen. So you should reapply every 1.5 to 2 hours when you're out in the sun.
My favorite sunscreen is SkinMedica's Total Defense and Repair SPF. The thing that I love about this product is that I love to wear my makeup every day, and this sunscreen does not give you that cakey white look that doesn't go well with makeup. You can wear it with other products, you can wear it with your foundation, and it looks perfect on your skin. Another special thing about this product is that it also has antioxidants to help give your skin that rejuvenated glow and help smooth out fine lines and wrinkles.